bottom 6-tooth custom fitted grill. This one here has diamond cuts. It is solid 925 sterling silver. Here's the back side. It is a handmade grill, guys. Not made by a machine. Some of the other guys, we are handmade grills. Okay, it's available on our website, blingcartel.com. You can get this for the top teeth, the bottom teeth. You can do a set. You can do anywhere from 1 teeth to 10 teeth. That's up to you. It is a beautiful grill, guys. All open face. Fits perfectly on our customer. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and as always, y'all have a good one.